Hi, Eric here from Laserscanning Europe, Laserscanning TV. Today we are on mission for Laserscanning Europe, and I'm here in Helsinki together with Lauri, and maybe you introduced you to the audience.
Thanks, Eric. So my name is Lauri Hartikainen. I'm the CEO and co-founder in Pointscene.
Yeah, and today is a special day. We have the Pointscene day here in the startup hub from Helsinki, and maybe you can tell something what's going on the Pointscene day.
Yeah. So Pointscene Day is basically our user day here in Helsinki, but we also stream it online, and you can probably get the recording and access the recording via Laserscanning Europe website later on. So in Pointscene Day, we're presenting user cases, client cases, and partner integrations within the construction community.
Yeah, and we are be part of this Pointscene Day because we signed an agreement to present Pointscene in the German-speaking market. And that's my next question: what Pointscene, what kind of technology it is, and who's the user for your technology?
Yeah, first of all, Pointscene is a cloud platform, and it's for construction projects. And our main customers are construction companies, engineering companies, and surveying companies. And in some cases, for example, public and private partnerships, the client can even be the municipality or the transport agency, for example.
Okay, and to better understanding in detail what the customer does with your software, also when they use it.
So we have a Pointscene web solution, which is a browser-based application for mainly site engineers, site foremen, design, BIM coordinators, and these type of digital construction managers who use Pointscene to store data, to visualize different data on top of each other, compare those, and do volumetric calculations or profile calculations in the as-built and the designs, and share it with their stakeholders.
Yeah, we get some deeper in the technology. I like to explain it's Pointscene is usually used now in the infrastructure project from the point where they're starting with the construction process in the field. Like that's mostly the biggest user case.
I would say overall the projects that we work with mainly are design and build contracts or these bigger alliances, but we also have a lot of projects for like standard highway construction where when the project gets started, pretty much you have the initial design and you have the initial survey, but when the project starts, everything starts to change, and you need to modify the designs, you need to validate whether some design fits with as-built or not. If you find some mystical things in the ground, you can use Pointscene also in that case.
Yeah, and we're coming also in charge because some of your customer we saw today, they use some application like UAV flights, drone flight to capture the actual situation on the construction site and put these point cloud information like from drones, you can use mobile scanner, terrestrial scanners. You can, in your software, you can work with point clouds and with designs. That's correct.
Yeah. So our customers are usually using reality capture methods, like different types of methods, like capturing orthophotos with drones or creating surface models from point clouds, use terrestrial scans to capture the as-built conditions, and then use it together with the design and see whether the design and the actual build is matched. And if it doesn't, you can react, you can communicate, you can share the data with your colleague or the design company, for example.
The interesting design data you usually used IFC files and land XML, or that's the data.
In 3D, in 3D it's IFC and then land XML files, but we also support like traditional drawings, so you can have your layouts as AutoCAD DWG or DXF files as a layout on your map, which you can compare with surfaces or with orthophotos, etc.
Okay. And then we find a new case out that we maybe can not use it only for infrastructure, what is now the common use case here in Scandinavia. Maybe you can tell something like there is some big project who used your technology already. Maybe you can give some project names or...
Well, we have, in today's session here in Pointscene Day, we awarded one construction project in Norway, up north in Norway, which is a highway construction and tunnel construction project in E6. And they are combining like tunnel scans, like interior scans, together with drone flights and sort of mobile captures as well.
Yeah.
And we have some building cases as well. And in the building like Hochbau,
Hochbau. For German, Hochbau.
Pointscene is mainly used to store the terrestrial scan data together with the 360 panoramas, and then use that together with the IFC models.
Yeah, and that's very good. As for understanding, you are quite new company, young company, not totally young, but some years. But you already your technology is used in the Scandinavian market for proper real projects. And is proven in the field, And that's the reason why we like now to adapt these, like we in Germany say, the Scandinavian every time they are five years in front of us, because they are very open to technology and also working hours are very expensive here and limited resources, long distance, and it's not so easy to go to your construction field like in 5 minutes. It's very good. I think I have been giving a good summary what your software does, and for anybody who have interest and like to get more information in German, in Deutsch, dann könnt ihr euch bei uns melden.
That would be great for us, and we see a lot of good support in the German-speaking market from Laserscanning Europe, and hope to get some nice cases up and running in German market as well.
Okay, thanks Lauri, and have a nice rest of the day with your clients and partners and customers.
Thank you for being here.